Here's something that sometimes takes people by surprise in Reaper, and I demonstrated it already without even trying. So this takes people by surprise and kind of scares them sometimes because they think something happened to their audio when recording in Reaper. So since so many people ask me about this, I figured I'd make a quick video about it and show you that it is really no problem at all and how easy it is to fix and why it happens in the first place. Not that I can explain what the reason is behind it, but I can show you why it happens. So here's Reaper, and I did a quick recording of a voice here on this track. Okay, now let me shrink that up a bit. Okay, so to demonstrate this, let's say that you have another program that you want to launch. I'll just pretend it's iZotope RX8, and see, you can see it happened already. You click outside of the Reaper window, let's say to launch this, or to do what I just did, which was to drag something around on my desktop. As soon as you click on something outside of the window here, see what happens? It just says offline. And some people think, oh my God, my video is gone. I lost it. What do I do? And the answer to that is just click back in the window, and there it is. It never went anywhere. It's just for some reason, whenever you click outside of the Reaper window, that happens. And as long as you understand that nothing has really happened to your audio, everything's fine, it really is no big deal. So if you click outside, whenever you see this, just click somewhere back in the Reaper window, and your audio waveform will reappear. Hope that helps.